Ngayong Kapaskuhan, be full of joy.
Buti ho, nayaya kayo ng mga bata sa aming munting Christmas party.
O ano nga ba ang tunay na diwa ng Pasko?
Celebrate the festive season
Christmas is all about love and gift giving.
Here's a Christmas card for you.
the Paskong Pinoy way when learning together.
Dala rito ang katakam-takam na amoy ng lutong bibingka.
Paano ba natin malalaman kung ilang bibingka at puto bumbong ang makukuha ng bawat isa?
Ating mga ginagawa tuwing Pasko, kakabit yan ng pagturo ng values sa ating mga anak.
It's the season to be merry sa Knowledge Channel, your school anywhere Christmas programming. Monday to Friday, Alternative Learning System, 6 a.m. Grade 2 Filipino, 8 a.m. Grade 2 Araling Panlipunan, 9 a.m. Grade 3 English, 10 a.m. Grade 4 Math, 11:20 a.m. At Saturday and Sunday, Early Childhood Series for parents and teachers, 6:20 a.m.